next class. This class is for class 7 and chapter that we are discussing is percentage and its applications, that is chapter number 9 in your textbooks. This class is in continuation with the previous class where we have discussed already exercise 9a. Now today we will be dealing in with exercise 9b. So what is there in 9b? What you need to learn in this? We will be learning about percentage change. Now what is the meaning of percentage change? Let's say I purchased some article for rupees 100, but now after 2 months that article is being sold at rupees 120. So what will be the change in the price of article? So change will be 120 is the final price and initially it was rupees 100. So that is 20 rupees change. This is the change. But if the question asks what is the percentage change in the price of the article, so percentage change will be whatever is the change upon original price. Original means initial price, and this is in the form of fraction, and we know that when we convert any fraction into 100, we multiply any fraction into percentage, we multiply by 100 and put a percent sign. So change is 20, original price was rupees 100 and now it is 100 into 100%, so 0 cancel, 20% change was there. Now my next question is, suppose I say that I purchased an article for rupees 100, but now due to some reason its price has been decreased to rupees 80, or let's say to rupees 75. So find the percentage change. So again the change will be what? Initial, this is 25 rupees change, this was initial price, this was final price. So now the change is how much? 25. It has been reduced, so change is 25. So percentage change will be change, that is 25 upon original was 100 into 100% is equal to 25% is the change. Now this is a rough idea of how to calculate the change. Change can be increase in price or decrease in price, or it can be error also, that is known as percentage error. So with the help of one formula of percentage change, we will be learning how to solve the problems that are based on percentage increase or percentage decrease, or even the percentage error. So basic thing that you want to remember is percentage increase or decrease will be given by increase or decrease upon original value, original value or original price. So I will be writing original value because price confines you to one thing, it should be price, but value can be in any reading or anything it can be. So original value into 100 and a percentage sign. This is the formula that we all need to study, or this formula you all need to memorize. Percentage increase or decrease is calculated how? First you will calculate the increase or the decrease, then its original value will be given and it will be written in the form of fraction, means increase upon original value or decrease upon original value into 100%, whatever will be value, that is the answer. So, and one more thing, it is sometimes it is also written as percentage error. So in place of increase or decrease you can write error, increase in error or decrease in error, and original value or can be written as actual value actual value into 100%. Means formula is same, only the topics or the words may be different. It may be increase, it may be decrease, it may be error, and like this. And here also original can be converted to actual, but basic formula is only this one. Now we move on to exercise 9b. I'll start. There are only 7 questions, so I'll try to solve exercise 9b. I'll be trying to solve almost all the questions if they are of different types. Now let's talk about question number 1. Question number 1, there is it is all based on increase and decrease with 4 parts, so I'll be doing the second and the fourth part. Second part says find the value of increase, find the value of the following: increase of 125 by 50%. We have to find increase of 125 by 50%. What do you understand by the meaning of the question? What is the meaning of the question? That 125 number has been increased by 50%. So what is its final value? So first of all, we will calculate 50% of 125. That will be 50 upon 100. 50% of means into 125. So 50 2s are 100, 2 6 are 12, 2 2s are 4.5. 62.5 is the 50% of 125. And they say increase of 125 by 50% means 125 has been increased by 50%. If it is increased, it means added by how much? 50%, and 50% of 125 is 62.5. So final value will be 5 into 7, 6 into 1, 87.5. This is the final value. Now similarly, I will be talking about question number 4, fourth part. Fourth part, they say decrease of 75 by 40%. It means that you have to reduce 75 by its 40%. So first we will calculate 40% of 75. That will be 40 upon 100 into 75. 25 3s are 25 4s are 4 10s are 10 3s are 30. So 40% of 75 is 30. Now we have to decrease what? 75 by 40%. 40% is 30. So by 30 it means we have to subtract, because we have to decrease. It means minus 30. So final value is 45. That is the value of 75 decreased by 40%. This is the final value. Now we move on to question number 3. 2 and 3 are same. So I will be taking question number 3. Let's see what is there in question number 3. They say find the number. Question number 3 is find the number which when increased by 27% becomes 508. So first of all, when you have to find something, assign a variable. Let us say let the number is x. First statement will be let the number be x. Now what do they say? They say when number increased by 25% means this number x, when increased means added, increased by 27%. 27% of what? Of itself, means of x. It should become equal to 508. The question says find the number when increased by 27% becomes 508. So this was the number. It has been increased by its 25%. And it should be equal to 508. This is, I have written the whole statement of the language in a form of mathematical statement. Now this is x plus 27 upon 100 of means into x is equal to 508. Now when you solve, you can take the LCM as 100. This will become 100x plus 27x is equal to 508. So 100 plus 27 is 127x is equal to 50800. It means that when you divide 127 by 508 divided by 127, we know that 7 4s are 28, so let's try by 4. 7 4s are 28, 2 4 2s are 8 9 10 0 4 1s are 4 1 5. It means x can be written as 50800 upon 127. 127 4 times is 508. It means the value of x is 400. Means what was the number? The number was 400, and when it was increased by its 25%, it became 508. Now let's see what is the next question. Now question number 5 I am taking. They say the number of people working for a particular organization increased by 15%. Means number of people increased by 15%. 15% means 15% of itself, 15% of the previous number of people that are working during an year. Find the number of at the beginning of the year if there were 230 at the end of the year. Means final number of people or final number of people is 230 people. We need to find the initial number of people, and we don't know the value, so we will assume that let the initial number of people be x. So let initial number of people be x. Now of this x, 15% have been increased. Means initially the number of people was x, and during the year 15% of x were added to the original number, so it has been increased, and the final value after increment was 230. So it means x plus 15% of x is equal to 230. 5 3s are 15, 5 2s are 10. So when you solve it, it will become x plus 3x upon 20. X plus 3x upon 20 is equal to 230. You will take the LCM. LCM will become 20. So this is 20x plus 3x is equal to 230. So when you solve it, 20 plus 3 is 23x upon 20 is equal to 230. So x will be cross multiplication, 230 into 20 upon 23. 23 10 times is 230. 10 into 20 is 200 people. It means initially the number of people was 200. The simple thing, you need to understand the question, what is the question asking, and you will easily be able to frame out, and you can easily write it in the form of mathematical statement. Now let's move on to the next question. Now next question I am taking is question number 7, and I hope this is the last question of the exercise. So what is question number 7? The weight of plastic was 3.75 grams. Means initial weight of plastic, that is 3.75 grams. Then they say it was before heating. This was before heating. Then they say it became, or it changed to 3.5 grams. Means final weight final weight of plastic, that is now 3.50 grams, that was after heating. So you have to find what is the loss or decrease in weight of the plastic. So first of all, we will find out the decrease or loss, and then we'll convert it into percentage. So we can say loss in weight of plastic after heating, that will be, initially it was 3.75 initial weight minus final weight minus 3.50 grams, that will be 0.25 grams. This is the loss in weight in grams, but we have to convert it into percentage. So percentage loss or percentage decrease is decrease upon original value. It means loss upon initial weight. Loss upon initial weight into 100 and then a percentage sign. So loss is 0.25. Initial weight was 3.75 into 100 and then percentage. Now decimal and decimal removed. Now 5 5s are 25, 5 7s are 35, 25, 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5, 5 1s are 5, 5 5s are 25. So it became as 100 upon 15%. This can be divided by 5, 5 3s are 15, 5 2s are 20. Now 20 upon 3 can be written as 6 whole 2 upon 3 percentage was the loss in weight in percentage. Loss in weight in grams was 0.25, but the loss in weight in percentage is 6 whole 2 upon 3 percentage. This is the decrease percent or loss percent or like that. Now this exercise is finished. So this exercise 9b we have done. Now there are a few more exercises that will be discussed later on. For this, for the time being, you all will write all the questions that have been discussed here on the whiteboard, and rest whichever we have left that are to be done in your practice notebooks. So for till then, keep watching. Thank you. Have a nice day.